I am so beyond sick of being told to make more sales, you have to buy more crap. It's not the case, and I'm telling you that because I just did it. I have increased my sales over 20% month over month without buying more crap and listing more. What's up, guys? It is your girl Sarah from Sarah Styles here. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. I am going to share with you guys 5 ways I have increased my sales $1,400 period over period, month over month, without listing more, without spending more money, sourcing more, buying more stuff. To put it nicely, I have increased my sales by doing these 5 things. I'm going to be speaking primarily to eBay because that is where the majority of my sales do come from, is eBay. You can see in this chart right here, the majority of my sales are from eBay. So number 1, run a sale. If you don't know how to run a sale, I will link a video up here. I walk you through step by step on how to run a sale. You don't have to run a 90% off sale and sell everything for really cheap. Just the activity of running a sale not only wakes up the eBay algorithm, but it also gives you a filter. When you are looking as a buyer on eBay, there's filters that you can click on, and one of them is sale items. And so if you run a sale on your items, you are now getting one extra place that people may come across your stuff. Tip number 2, you can auction off your old inventory. Again, you don't have to necessarily sell stuff. Yes, it will increase your sales if you sell these things, but having the option and having the activity of running an auction, eBay likes. eBay likes activity. It likes to know that you are being mindful of your store and you really do want to make these sales. However, for me personally, I only have so much space. So I go out with the old, in with the new. Something that I have had for a while, it is taking up space for something new to come in. So I will auction off old items. Item number 3 is going to be edit your items. I will link a video up here how to do this quickly using the bulk edit. Again, eBay likes activity. It likes to know that you are going in and saying, hey, this stuff has been sitting for a while. I want to make it better. Don't just go in and hit edit and then hit edit and don't actually change anything. If items aren't selling, there is a reason for it. Go in and check your SEOs, check your pictures. Maybe your main picture isn't really the best picture and it's not catching people's eyes. Move the pictures around, recheck your comps. Make sure that what you listed 2 years ago, the comps are still the same. It may not be selling because it's just simply selling for less right now and you have to lower your comp to be competitive. Before we get into those last 2, if you guys want to learn how to make money reselling, strategies that are guaranteed to work for everyone, because I base them off numbers and I teach you how to make these strategic decisions for yourself. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Likes are for free, so give me a like and share this on social media. If you found it helpful, other people probably will as well. Make sure to tag me, Sarah Styles LLC, on all platforms. All right, number 4 is relist and make it better. If it has been sitting out there for a while, there is a reason that it has not sold. In your eBay store, you go to My Seller Hub and then you go to your listings, active listings. You can sort by start date. If you don't see this, you can come in here to the customized table and you can put in the areas that you would like to see. These are items that I like to look at. You can sort by your start date and then go through, and if you click on this little down arrow, you can end a listing. So you can end the listing and then sell similar. This is going to give it a completely new item number, so it is essentially like a completely new item. But I caution you in just thinking that this activity alone is going to wake up the algorithm and make you a ton of sales. Keep in mind, if you've had this for a while with this listing, there's a reason that it's not selling. Figure out why. Go through your analytics. I will link eBay tutorials up here. I really walk through the eBay analytics to help you figure out why it's not selling, but figure out why it's not selling and change that. Give it a new ID by sell similar and refresh it. And lastly is cross post. It is one way to make more sales with the exact same inventory that you have. For me specifically, eBay is my main boo, but I do get a little bit off of Poshmark. Those are still additional sales that I was not getting from eBay. Just be mindful of your time. If you are spending hours and hours and hours and hours cross-posting and making very minimal money. Just be mindful of what is worth your time. If you like this video, YouTube also thinks you'd like this video. I'll link some eBay tutorials and reseller analytics here, and then make sure to hit that subscribe.